Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Aquarius air sign for the month of October. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages, Aquarius. This is general, keep in mind while watching. So Aquarius, your first card, Ace of Swords, Death, Emperor. I think one person in this connection undergoing some transformation. The Death card is here. You or your person could be Scorpio. Yes, after the transformation, the person will become like the Emperor, very honest, very committed. After the transformation, before the transformation, he may not this person, but after the transformation, he will be like this. That person, it could be you or your person. Energy could be vice versa. Definitely some truth coming out. Communication, Ace of Swords. Let's see some more. Yeah, the Strength, Three of Wands, waiting. Queen of Wands. Yeah, one person in this connection stand by their power. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, fire energy, especially Leo. Yeah, they stand by their power. Definitely, they turn their back from their person, and this stand by their power, and they grounded themselves. And like this, Queen of Wands means stand by their power. I think it could be you, Aquarius. This could be long distance relationship also. I think you are waiting for your person to take action towards you. Let's pull some more cards. Two of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, okay, Page of Pentacles. Yeah, some communication is coming, some messages. Yeah, there is equal love between both of you. Two of Cups, definitely you love your person, but you stand by your power, because if there is no equal give and take, there is no equal effort, there is no reason to continue. Yes, now your person want to work on this relationship. For some only, for some right now your person concentrating on their career, they are working on their pentacles. For some, your person they want to approach you, they want to communicate you, they want to send some message, some call you are going to receive, but you stand by your power, Aquarius. So let's see two cards. Okay, Knight of Pentacles with Nine of Cups and Nine of Pentacles. Wow. Yeah, you stand by your power, Aquarius. You are concentrating on your career and financial, definitely, because Nine of Pentacles, you stand by your power, you are independent financially and emotionally, but your person coming towards you, but it is very slow energy. Knight of Pentacles is very slow moving energy. It is stable offer, still very slow moving energy. You have to wait patiently. Nine of Cups. Yeah, your person wishing for this connection. I think it could be your wish also, but you stand by your power. It's their turn to work on this relationship, because in past you put a lot of effort in this connection, but your person not. But this time your person turn to work on this relationship for some. So you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Lord of Earth energy, Aries, Leo, Sag, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but Lord of Earth energy and fire energy, water energy is here. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, then we will get clarity regarding your situation. Your person current feelings. Rebirth. Yeah, rebirth means they want to reconcile with you, they want to start again with you. Yeah, ordinariness. Eight of Pentacles. Yes, most of you person want to work on this relationship. Stress. Seven of Wands. Yeah, they don't want to give up on this connection, even though they know there are some obstacles in this connection. They don't want to give up, because the rebirth with ordinariness. Eight of Pentacles with Ten of Swords. Yeah, they want rebirth in this connection, they want to work on this connection in this time. Eight of Pentacles is very slow energy, but still stable offer. They want to work on this relationship. So let's see their actions towards you. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Aquarius, your person action. Nothingness means commitment, Hierophant. Integration means temperance. Yes. Your person could be Sagittarius. Past lives, the moon. Here what? I think in past there are some commitment issues because the moon is here. Past lives. You both have some past life connection with each other also for some. I think the integration means temperance here. There is no balance in this connection. Patience and balance is needed in this connection because temperance means patience and balance, and nothingness means commitment. I think for some there are commitment issues. In past your person may not commit to you, but now they want to commit to you because they want to work on this relationship this time. So it's up to you to give another chance to your person if you are in separation. So be careful before giving second chance to your person. It's up to you totally depending upon your situation. But some communication you are going to be received from your person, and because Page of Pentacles is here, yeah, they want to work on this relationship because 8 of Pentacles with rebirth. Definitely they want rebirth in this connection. So let's pull some cards from the universe regarding the connection, where it is headed by. The Magician. Wow. Ace of Wands. 8 of Cups. The Hierophant. Yes, commitment issues. Definitely commitment issues. I think there are commitment issues. That's why you walked away, Aquarius. 8 of Cups. The one person who walked away in this connection is you. For some there is definitely separation, or there is less contact between both of you, or no contact if you are not in separation. And the Magician with Ace of Wands. Definitely your person want to manifest you again in their life. Ace of Wands. There is a lot of passion between both of you. Your person is very passionate about you, and they want to manifest you back in their life, and they want a new beginning with you, Aquarius. Definitely they want to start new beginning with you. They want to work on this relationship. They are wishing for this connection, but you stand by your power. It's up to you to give another chance to your person or not, because every person, every situation is different. So let's see your overall energy, Aquarius. Knight of Cups. Yeah, you have strong emotions for your person. But this time you are very, very slow. You are not going to accept your person offer when they will return, and they saying I want to commit to you, but you are very slow this time, because in past you hurted by your person, but now you don't want to hurt again by themselves, by your person. So that's why this time you are in very slow energy. Please think twice before taking any decision. So let's see your person energy, what they are up to, overall energy. Yeah, moment to moment, 2 of Pentacles. Still they are juggling. Some juggling is there. Change, Thunderbolt, Tower moment. Yes, some Tower moment, that is separation. After the separation they realize you both. The change, Wheel of Fortune. Definitely I think your person will get some positive change, because Wheel of Fortune is very positive card in the deck. Moment to moment means 2 of Pentacles. They have to make decision. I pull one card for your person, overall energy. See here, friendliness, 2 of Cups. They love you and you love them. There is no doubt about it, but there is no equal effort. That's why you walked away. For some it could be third party situation also. But your person, I think they will make decision in near future. They will choose you, because 2 of Cups 2 times. Definitely they are very passionate about you. They want restart with you, Aquarius. It is clear. It is clear message from these cards. So it's up to you to give second chance to your person or not. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys, and click the bell icon, then you will get my all notifications. So bye guys.